Munching on English. Mastering the phrase, munch on something. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a fun and expressive phrase you might have heard or read somewhere. Munch on something. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these kinds of phrases can add flavor to your English conversations. So, let's get started and munch on the details. When we hear the word munch, it immediately brings to mind the sound and action of eating something with a bit of noise. To munch on something means to eat something casually or leisurely, usually implying that you're enjoying the process and not in a hurry. It's not just about eating. It's about savoring each bite, often used in informal contexts. For example, you might say, "I was just munching on some popcorn while watching a movie." This sentence gives a relaxed, enjoyable picture of someone eating popcorn without rush or formal dining. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various situations, highlighting its importance in everyday English. It's often used to describe eating snacks or light meals rather than full-course meals. Here are some examples. During a break, let's munch on some snacks during our break. At a party, there were so many delicious things to munch on at the party. While working or studying, I need something to munch on while I'm working on this project. It's also a great way to express a laid-back, comforting activity, making it perfect for casual conversations. Understanding the cultural context of phrases like munch on something can enrich your English learning journey. This phrase embodies a certain casualness and comfort associated with eating, which might differ from formal dining scenarios in various cultures. In English-speaking countries, snacking and munching on food is a common and socially accepted behavior, often associated with social gatherings, movie nights, or as a simple pleasure during alone time. To incorporate munch on something into your English, remember these tips. Use it in informal settings. This phrase is best suited for casual conversations with friends, family, or in relaxed social situations. Pair it with snacks and light foods. It's more natural to use this phrase when talking about snacks, fruits, or small bites rather than full meals. Emphasize the enjoyment. When you use this phrase, it often conveys a sense of enjoyment and leisure. So feel free to use it when you want to express these feelings. We hope you enjoyed learning about the phrase, munch on something, and feel confident adding it to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the cultural nuances and expressions that make English so rich and vibrant. Happy munching, and see you in our next video.